Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I will be showing you how to set up multi-currency accounts online. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to set up multi-currency accounts online with your Chase Bank application, then first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Chase Bank application and log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, here what you need to do is use a Chase credit card with no foreign transaction fees. This is the closest equivalent to a multi-currency setup. This Chase cards for international use is Chase Sapphire Preferred, Chase Sapphire Reverse, Chase Freedom Unlimited, and Ink Business Preferred. Why this works is purchases automatically convert to local currency, 0% foreign transaction fees, Visa acceptance worldwide, better exchange rates than cash. In order to check or confirm, what you need to do is simply sign into your Chase mobile application or chase.com, then simply select the credit card. Then once you select the credit card, here what you need to do is open account details by simply tapping on the three-dot icon on the top right corner of your screen and select more details or more options. What you need to do here is select replace card or look for foreign transaction fee option and then simply set it to none. Then next is enable international uses. Simply follow the same steps by opening the Chase app, then select your card and go to the card settings. And here what you need to confirm is international purchases are enabled or not, and alerts are turned on for security. Chase automatically monitors for fraud while outward. Then if you are doing it via Wells Fargo Bank, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Wells Fargo application and be sure to be logged into your account. Now the best alternative to a multi-currency account is using Wells Fargo Autograph Card with no foreign transaction fees, Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, foreign transaction fees apply, and Wells Fargo Reflect Card, foreign transaction fees applies as well. Why this works is purchases convert automatically to local currency, better exchange rate than cash, widely accepted Visa network, and some cards have 0% foreign transaction fees. In order to check online, simply head over to the Wells Fargo mobile application, then select your card. Now open account details and look for foreign transaction fee. Now in order to enable international use on debit and credit cards, simply head over and open up your Wells Fargo application once again, then tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside the menu, simply select card settings or simply tap on the card and select card settings or card controls. Then once you're inside the card controls, what you need to confirm is international transactions are allowed or not by simply tapping on it and toggling the international users switch, and alerts are turned on as well. And Wells Fargo does not require travel notice, but monitoring is automatic. Now if you are doing it via your Citibank, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Citibank application and log into your account. And here the closest alternative to a multi-currency account is using Citi Premier Card with 0% FX fees, Citi Prestige Card for the legacy holders, and Citi Costco Anywhere Visa, which is 0% FX fees. And why this works is purchases convert automatically to local currency, Visa and MasterCard exchange rates are very competitive, widely accepted worldwide, and no need to manage multiple balances. In order to check online, simply sign into your Citi mobile app once again and select your card. Then once you select your card, simply open account details and look for foreign transaction fees. Then next is to enable international uses. To do it, simply head over and open up the Citi application once again, then log into your account and tap on your card. Then once you tap on your card, here you'll find an option that says Controls or Manage or Card Manage. Simply select that, and then once you're inside the Controls option, here you find an option that says International Uses. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside the Tap International Uses option, simply confirm international uses is toggled on or not, and transaction alerts are turned on or not. Citi automatically monitors for fraud while aware. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.